In nearly every classroom, some students will benefit from additional practice with language, vocabulary, or key concepts to engage more deeply in learning. Every unit in the curriculum includes student resources that contain supports such as materials sheets, vocabulary cards, character cards, and illustrated posters. Although the student resources are designed to address the specific needs of English language learners and students who receive special education services, they can benefit all learners. Use learn.eie.org to access your unit and explore the Resources for Diverse Learners page. You will find a list of the student resources and recommendations for how to use them in your classroom. The materials are intended to be used directly by students or with teacher facilitation and are available in English and Spanish for greater accessibility.